In this lesson, you're going to learn about how to add comments to your PHP code. Adding comments will help you to improve the code readability, facilitates maintenance, assists in collaboration with other developers, etc. There are three types of comments in PHP. They are single line, multi-line, and PHP doc comments. PHP doc comments require a lesson of their own. You will learn about PHP doc once we complete this beginner session of the PHP lecture series. To start off, let's add a single line comment by typing / this is a comment, and the below is a variable with integer data type. You can type the comment on each line, or you can type after the definition, not in between. You have to remember that, but you can type after the definition or declaration, just like this. This is the definition of the variable age. Another type of comments are called multi-line comments. To write multi-line comments, type / then star, and to end this multi-line comment, again you type star and /. So whatever you write in between these are considered as comments, and this is called starting delimiter. This is called ending delimiter. So whatever you write in between are considered as comments. This is the first line. You can type whatever you want. I'm just typing yet another line. Okay, so this is how you can type comments in PHP.